Hello, everyone. This is Marlon Carter out of Dallas, Texas. Welcome to my video. This is another free program that you can join and you can promote any business that you may be involved with. Even if you a beginner in marketing online, this could be the perfect platform for you. Let's log in and we're going to show you a few things. So once you get your free account, you can come over here and you can learn all about what Lead Leap is about. I enjoy coming inside of my back office each and every day so I can promote my programs or my business opportunity. This is not hard. It's a perfect platform for beginners. Over here, you see the dashboard where we are right now. And up here say new way to promote lead. We're not gonna go right here right now. We're gonna go over here to show you what free is. Post credit ads free. This is where you post your ads for free. And if you don't know what posting your ad inside of Lead Leap is, this is why I say it's perfect for a beginner, because up at the top you have what you call tutorial, and you just click there and you learn everything it is about posting your ad on inside of Lead. How to post, activate an ad. This is where you start learning over here. Okay, let's go back again. Post credit ads for free, tutorial, and then it's going to take you over to where you can start learning how to get credits for your ads, how to post an ad, how to activate an ad. Just click on these tags over here. Right here, it start telling you how to post your ad, how to activate your ad. An ad setup form similar to the screenshot below will be added. And it just goes on, enter the URL of the website you want to promote, arrow one, and enter a catchy title. See, it's giving you step-by-step instruction on how to start promoting whatever business opportunity you are with. And right here, say how does credit ad works. If you don't know, you'll know after you go through your tutorial. Everything you need to know about advertising online through Lead Leap is inside of Lead Leaps in the tutorial section. How to earn credit. I want 50 free traffic a day. What should I do? Who can post credit ads? Okay, let's click on that one. And right here, say all members. Not only if you free member or paid member, it doesn't matter. You can post a credit ad. I just love this because I go over here. See, I'm a pro member. Once you get started and you would like to go pro, you can start making a commission out of people that join, just like I do after they become pro. Okay, over here I'm a pro member, so I go to post pro ads. And over here, you're gonna learn how to create your ads and everything. Let's click on the tutorial right here. How to post and activate ad, how to upload an image. See, it tells you everything you need to know about posting, even if you're a paid member or a pro member. So I'm gonna skip to the chase and I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna click on someone else's ad. When I'm clicking on someone else's ad, if I want to make uh 50 clicks a day or draw 50 clicks to my ad a day, all I have to do is gain credits when I look at someone else's ad. over here, I'm just going to click on this top one right here. It says 2 downline, $500 a week. And a lot of these ads that you click on, you might like them. You might want to join. But inside of Lead Leaps, you have opportunities at hand that you can start making money with once you come in and join and start looking at everything that's inside of the back office of leadsleap. Okay, I clicked on his ad or her ad, and now I'm gonna open a link up, and you see how it opened it up. That's that person's page right here. That's that person's site, and over here it will tell you that you'll gain credit. Say welcome back. It's your first and ad click today. Keep it up. So this is my first one for today. I just clicked on the first one, so I'm gonna click out of it. Okay, I clicked out of it. So I'm gonna click on another one right here. Now this come up where I can open up the link, and you see how their ad come up or their page come up. Right here, she's telling me to surf 10 ads a day and earn daily active bonus. You search 10 ads a day, and it doesn't take long. You will gain bonuses on after the 10th ad. Get out of that one. That's 2 ads credit I've gained. So this is the way you do it. You know, you click on another ad, or you can go back to the home page and choose another ad that you see. Just click on it, and it will take you over here. Uh, it's a instruction from leadsleap. The link should have opened in a new window. So if not, click this. So it didn't open in a new window, so I open it up right here. I click, so that person's page has been blocked because I have virus protection. If something wrong with that page, I it lets me know. Your internet access is blocked. Firewall. See the bonus come up? It on the left side. It say, "Are you still surfing? If you are, please mouse over or click this within 10 seconds." Boom. I just did that, so I gained a bonus. Okay, we're gonna get out of this one. We're gonna open up another one. As long as it's lighted up or lit up, you can click on it. But if it's grayed out, so to speak, if it's dull looking, don't click on that one because it's not good to click on that one because something is wrong, and Leasley let you know that this is not a good one to click on. Okay, we're gonna open this one up. It opens up. It's talking about another way to gain exposure to your site or whatever. But anyway, I have fun doing this each and every day. I gain credits over here, and I will continue until I get my 10 credits. Normally, I strive to get 50 a day, and that's it. I'm gonna go back over to the front page, which is the dashboard, and all this is feature social review. I like that too. Once you make a review of what you're promoting, it's gonna be posted, and also you're going to be posted in Google as well. You get extra exposure once you do a social review. Lead Leaps is powerful like that. You still just come over and start learn what a review is. This is my review right here. I'm gonna click on it, the social review. And right here, I created a review about a program that I am promoting, and I have a 5-star rating, and the score is 3 to 5, and the clicks so far is 8 since the 8th day. Just make them, make your review and just let it sit out there, and people are gonna see it. All right. My name is Marlon Carter. Hope this has helped you. And I really want to put it out there. It's free. And this is a good way for a newcomer, a new marketer to learn all about how to start bringing traffic to their program or their business opportunity. This is one way to get traffic, and traffic is the basics uh, uh, of a successful online business. You need traffic to see your site. When I speak of traffic, I'm speaking of people that will see your site, that will see your program, and they will make a decision to continue to look into it, continue to join, or continue to just leave it alone and go on. But keep on promoting your business in different ways inside of Lead Leap. My name is Marlon Carter, and I want to mention again, this is a free program. Join up with it today and start bringing traffic to your own program. Down at the bottom will be a link in the description part that will bring you over to the Lead Leap, uh, the Lead Leap front page, and it will, just a minute. This is the front page, and all you have to do is get your free membership right here, or else just go all the way down to the bottom and where it says secure your free lifetime membership. Again, this is free and it's a lifetime membership. You can be in it for free forever. Uh, we are giving you a free lifetime membership. This is what you'll get: traffic to your website, human, not bot. List manager, 10 lists, unlimited subscribers. Page builder, 10 pages, hosting included. Pop-up creator, 10 pop-up hosting included. Link tracker, unlimited with rotator. Make money 4 ways, some super easy, and more. Read on to find out and just get your free account right there. And before you go, hit that subscribe button as well so you can check out my next video. When that little icon bell come up, click it so you can be alerted on the next video I record. My name is Marlon Carter, a proud member to promote LeadsLeap, and we will see you on the inside once you get started. Have a wonderful day or night. Bye-bye.